Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook cover in Illustrator. This is the final look we're aiming to achieve. Let us see how it looks on desktop and also on mobile. This is how it will look on desktop. Let's see the mobile version. This is the mobile version. As you can see, no information is cut out. We're switching from the desktop version and the mobile version. And in today's episode, that is the essence of it all. To make sure the banner that you create for your Facebook cover, your details are not cut off when switching from mobile to desktop. You can see our text is on the right side and our logos are on the left. And in the mobile version, you see the logo becomes so huge, meaning if your text is on the right, it will be cut off, but your design can be different from ours as long as wherever your text is, make sure it is not cut off. This is the cover of Facebook in 2025. If anything changes, then we can advise accordingly. Let me show you how this is done. Let's switch back to starting design. This is where we're getting started. Press F a couple of times to switch full screen mode. Press Control semicolon, Command semicolon mark to hide the guides. And this is our starting version. In the next stage, I'll overlay some text so that you can know the actual sizes and also the padding of the cover so that you know where exactly to place which element. Let us switch to the overlay version. Press Ctrl 0, Command 0 on mark to center the design. Press F a couple of times to switch full screen mode. Press Ctrl semicolon, Command semicolon to hide the guides. Let us go to the layers panel. Let us start by showing the size of the whole cover. This is the total area, which is 851 pixels by 312 pixels. So set your Facebook cover such a size. Let us see the padding. Let's see what you get on the left padding. Make sure you have a padding of 90 pixels. That is on desktop. The area shown by the padding, that will be shown on desktop, but it won't be shown on mobile devices. So make sure any design of yours stays within the safe area. On the top, on desktops, make sure the 24 pixels area, it is not covered by any detail because it will be cut off on desktop machines. Let us see the safe zone. The safe zone, this area at the center, which is 640 pixels by 312 pixels. That will be visible on both desktop and also mobile devices. Make sure all your designs are within that area. Let's see how you place your profile picture. Go back to the layers panel. Let us show the profile picture. Do a circle of 191 pixels. This height 24 pixels is the height of the circle that gets into the design. The next step is the distance of the logo from the left edge. Let me show you that. The distance of the logo from the left edge is 16 pixels. And when it comes to mobile devices, measure from the 90 pixels padding and measure 16 pixels. After switching to mobile, the logo will come at this position. For a recap, make sure your cover size is 851 pixels by 360 pixels. That is a collection. The previous design showed 312 pixels for height. The 360 will be visible on mobile. 640 pixels and 312 pixels. That is a safe area, which is both visible on mobile and desktop. Make sure your right and left padding are 90 pixels. The top and bottom padding is 24 pixels. And also note, the distance of the logo from the left edge is 16 pixels, that is on desktop. Also, when you switch to mobile, make sure from the left padding, you measure 16 pixels, and that's where you position any other design that you don't want to be cut off when switching between the two devices. And that's all, how exactly you design a Facebook cover page. Take note of the measurement on the screen so that you can have a design that switches between mobile and also desktop seamlessly, what you would consider responsive. And that's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.